Hello everyone, I am Akash from second year CSE. I am studying in the Shanmugha College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to talk about edge computing. Let us firstly see about cloud computing. Cloud computing means we are storing a data in servers. Servers means huge amount of data resource. We having laptops 4 GB RAM and 1 TB internal memory like hard disk. We enough for seeing movie and playing games. It is not enough to in software companies. They have to extend the RAM day by day, like sure to tell 20 hours they supplying power. Best mode is now fired means the data is really lost, so we are not able to recover that data, so we can use cloud computing. Cloud computing, we store the data. Our data now is fired means they located at one place like China, Hong Kong. They store in our data. We can recover that. Servers are stored in big warehouse. Big warehouse means many of servers, now 100 servers in one big house. They have coolers like our laptops having cooler fans like that. They having more cooler fans, and they supply normal current also, and they supply natural current like windmill and ocean windmill. They supplying, they not stop the power supply. They supplying the 24 hours supplying the powers for big data warehouse. That called cloud computing. Cloud computing means on demand delivery. On demand delivery means we needed data. What we needed data, we can use it, like 8 GB RAM and in hard disk is 1 TB. Like that we can tell to the dealer. They providing for us the cloud computing. On demand delivery, they computing and storage, and as use go pay. Computing has two types: one development server and software server. Development server means public, private, hybrid. Public means we can use any software in freely. Private means we use only government staffs and secure data they are using. Like we having Aadhaar card details are stored in government database. They using the secure for our safety. No one to hack the servers. Hybrid means combined private and public, like Facebook, Instagram. Facebook having no username and password, that is private. Inside we have going means that is public. All are using the Facebook and Instagram, that is public. Now see software service. Software service means they have three types. Software as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. Software as a service means applications. Applications they given more specifications like YouTube, Netflix, like that. YouTube we having in shorts, video and news. They we searching buttons and liking and subscribe. They give more specifications. Infrastructure means visual computer. Visual computer means hosting RAM and hard disk only, and they giving one visual computer for us. In platform as a service means combine software as a service, infrastructure as a service. The two combined we producing, like I need one visual computer and with applications like visual computer 4 GB RAM and 1 TB internal memory, and that install you can install and give me applications. I told you application that install and give, that is platform as a service. Users can increase our RAM storage like that. Now we having 16 GB RAM. Tomorrow we need 34 GB RAM. That means we can increase our RAM and storage also we can increase day by day. What we needed, that applications we correct. In 90s all they using computers. They want to play one game they have to upgrade daily by day. One game they supporting 4 GB RAM only, but we have 2 GB RAM. That means we have to upgrade our system. But now nowadays we having online games. You having 4 GB RAM, that is not a matter. We have to go on online and playing our games in free. This is the basics of cloud computing. Now we can see about edge computing. Edge computing means like cloud computing. Cloud computing advances edge computing, like cloud computing I sending mail in morning. In cloud computing I sending a mail in morning, you can receive evening, that is not a problem. But edge computing is now I will send you the message, we can proceed after few seconds, like megaseconds, like automatic cars they edge computing. Any object moving in the front of car, they proceed pushing the message fully car, and they breaking the system, the car, and stand there. That less the latency, that is the edge computing. We can see edge computing devices. Edge computing devices, automatic car and smartwatches. This is the devices, and more devices are having. We proceeding the message and automatically they proceed. We send a message and automatically proceed, means that is edge computing. Less the latency. Edge computing is nearest placed in user in now Tiruchengodu or in Pullipalayam. The service is placed on Tiruchengodu, but edge computing, cloud computing is not like that. This is placed around India, and once we proceeding the message to server, we proceed the message and going to server, next only going to another person's. But edge computing nearest of the user, so less the latency. We can now see 5G edge computing. All are know 5G. Now 5G edge computing we can see. 5G all are seen towers are around circled one, and like that they installing their computing. 5G is faster, edge computing is also faster. That both of combine and proceed more than faster, and the company are told in the two companies are told, companies are planned, Vodafone and Verizon. Two companies are planned and setting installing the edge computing in towers, like 5G edge computing in towers. Most popular cloud computing we can see. First is Amazon, second is Google, third is Microsoft. This is the topmost three cloud computing using the all. And China using their cloud computing, that is name of Alibaba. They using their countries only, and low cost and easy to handle, that is version and digital version. That name we can use easily, handle easily, and low of cost. That is Europeans have a one rule, CGPR rule, CDPR rule, that is General Data Protection Regulation. They are using what purpose they are using, means they we not able to use European country data. European countries data means European can use, but other countries are not able to use. So projection or storing the near of the Europeans, we can use edge computing. Thanks for watching.